Alright, let's fucking go. Let's do it. Okay, so ArtGirl use feature macros. D-ArtGirl use, a conceptual file for things we want to use. A new feature, use GPW, glass panel warping, currently off. ArtGirl shader macros. We've added a section, signed integers, unsigned ints, and we have I0 and I1, which are new. ArtGirl shader strings. Shader number 8, shader source fragment number 8. Within the main body of the Bombs for Josh shader, aka shader 8, render units. We have the discrete number of units within the stained on bombs tile right here. This is new. There's nothing here. Nothing has actually changed. It's just highlighted for some reason. Value units. The tile size exponent for the Ian's tile, fucking mistake. Tile size exponent for Sobo, stained on bombs, correct. We need this. For the future, we're going to add in the future. Okay, so is it graph paper time? No, it's fucking not. This was a mistake. Okay, 6th most dangerous job loop. Down here, in the window-licking son of a bitch swizzle my nizzle section, we've added this. We're going to store the tile size exponent in discrete number of units when bending of the glass panels is turned on. So tile size exponent in discrete units. Let's go, let's go. Okay, right here. Graph paper rendering. This was a fucking mistake. We made so many fucking mistakes. Graph paper is not glass. It's not fucking glass. We didn't make any code changes here, just this section because I was being an idiot. Okay, stained on bomb window rendering. Okay, so if we have a non-zero glass panel, then the spice bends space, the spice bends windows. We're going to restore that context we stored in the data selection loop. We're going to do some space bending right here in the next video, and then warp drive Scotty. If we're not bending space, then here's our formula. If we are bending space, then here's our final formula. This was commented out, and it was moved up to here. Okay, so we're out of fucking time. There's a lot of things that we're doing. If you want to know why I'm doing what I'm doing, go here for the longer explanation. You're on the fast videos. And then technical demos are here, and source code is here, and ways of getting a hold of me are here. Like and subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch called Atomic Ivy MMO. I'm writing server code, simulation code, rendering code. I'm writing it all. If you want to see how to make a game engine from complete scratch, like, subscribe, follow.